slow the boat. Joe and Mo own a boat. Joe and Mo own a rowboat. Joe and Mo like to row. Joe and Mo like to row the boat slow. Oh no, the wind is starting to blow. The waves are starting to grow. Joe and Mo are not going slow. They are not going slow in their rowboat. Oh no, Joe and Mo are not rowing the boat anymore. Joe and Mo see some crows. Joe and Mo hope the crows can slow the boat. The crows see the bow on Joe. Give us your bow, say the crows. The crows tie Joe's bow to the rowboat. The crows hold the bow. The crows hold the bow to slow the boat for Joe and Mo.